Respect. The what? We learn respect. Is it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Respect. What do you learn from that word respect?
Treating others like the way you want to be treated.
Yeah, of course. You have to respect others. Show respect to others. How can we show respect to others?
By
Help.
Which media? What's the media of expressing? Yeah. Meanwhile,
telling the rude and
Binu, come on, speak.
what is the question, ma'am?
How can we respect others, or how we will come to know that it's a respect?
Ma'am, we should obey them.
We should obey others. To obey others is a part of respect. Yes, Nia? Correct. Any other media of respect?
Help others.
Help others. It's the part of respect. Yan?
Care for others.
Yes, Payal?
Care for others.
Care is care. By caring others,
Obey properly.
like we are caring our grandparents, so we are respecting them. Very good. Then
Ma'am, stand up and wish them.
stand up and wish them. Greet the elders. Salute the elders.
Obey.
That shows respect. Then eventual.
What is gesture?
Eventual.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. What about you? Respect means?
Obey
Obey. The same with Nia. Nia also said, ma'am, obey means respect. Anything more? Hazib? Care finish? Obey finish? Salute finish? Or greeting finish? Anything more? Yeah, Delna, come on.
Help the poor people.
Help. Help means respect. Help means respect. Very good, my dear. Anything? Hasib? Hasib, keep your mobile or the device properly. I can't view. Yeah. Make it clear. Okay, my dear. Okay. Yes. Come on, speak now. Respect means for you?
Ma'am, share food for poor people.
Share care. Then salute, greet. Love. Beautiful. Love means respect. Then Anya. Anaya. Sorry. Yeah, Anay. Come on. Tonio.
Ma'am.
Speaking the truth.
Truth means respect. Just write down on a rough page, okay? Truth means respect. So, yes, who raised the hand? Akshat, Hasib, come on. Speak. I told you before only. This lecture means, this period means, it's not the monotonous way of learning. It's a to and fro. I need your answer, your thoughts, your feelings, your way, your attitude, your behavior, your inclusiveness in learning. Okay? Come on, Hazib, tell me. What about you? Respect means?
Ma'am, pray for others.
Yes, Anslo, loudly.
Pray for others.
Pray for others. Yeah, exactly, my dear. Now, Hasib, come on.
Ma'am, we should help others.
Help others. Help finish. How many finish? How many trades finish? Help. Repeat. Payal, repeat. Wait. All of you wait. Just listen to Payal. Payal, repeat.
Sharing.
How many traits finish? Kea. Only Payal speak now. Yes, Payal.
Care.
Love. Kea. One by one. I'll repeat after you. Kea.
Care.
Then.
Care.
Kea. Then afterwards. Help. Yes. Then.
Love.
Notice. All of you notice. Then.
Greeting. Then we did pray for others.
Angelo said. Pray for others. Wonderful pattern of respect. Pray for others. Yeah, praying for others. It means we are indirectly respect them. We pray for our nation. We pray for all our citizens. It meant we are respecting them. Yes, Binu, I am coming to you. Come on, Binu.
We want to pray our world.
We
want to pray for our world.
Yeah, we must pray for our brothers and sisters. Yes. Then
we want to pray for the God.
He want to
pray for the God.
He want to pray for the God. Okay. World. Okay. For the yes, that is called as your brothers and sisters who are there around you, my dear. Around you, now no one is there around you. Your brothers and sisters, all. Your pledge itself only tells no. What's the pledge tells us? All are my brothers and sisters. Am I?
Yes.
It meant you have to pray for your brothers and sisters. Yes, Algan. Yes, come on, my dear.
We want to treat them.
You want to
treat them.
Treat them. How to treat?
We want to treat poor people.
Treat poor people means help them. Otherwise, we can change it into we must show kindness. What is kindness? The word kind. It is added. The word kind is added. Okay. The word love. The word care. The word then greet. The word prayer. Then
Obey.
Very good. Obey. This all covers. The respect covers these all. Now you speak. Respect covers what else?
Ma'am?
Respect covers. What are the traits including in respect? Yeah.
Share?
Yeah. Care, share. Payal. Care, share, kind. Very good. Care, share, kind. Yeah.
Pray for others.
Pray, greet. See, systematically say. Systematically say. How? Care, share.
Share, kind.
Care, share, kind. See? Care, share, kind. Write down. Care, share, kind.
Make them happy.
Then?
Salute.
Greet and?
Pray for
obey.
Greet and prayer. Greet and prayer. Above all, forgive. Forgive means what? What do you mean by forgive?
Someone does a mistake and then forgive.
Yeah, forgive means accepting their mistakes, faults. That is what forgive. Okay, that is what forgive. To whom you usually forgive?
The person who does the mistake.
Nia, your voice is very low. Yes, come on. Yeah. When you usually forgive?
A mistake that happened by a person, we have to forgive them.
Yeah. If yes, anybody is having another point of view?
And give the food to the poor people.
Yeah, that is called as help or kind. Niranjan, you got bored?
Happy.
Niranjan, you are not happy now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're happy now. Why you are busy with your hairs now? Huh? You're learning now in soft skills class. Soft skill means it's a skill to develop your personality. It's a skill to add beauty to your personality. How we are applying, see how the girls are applying nail polish on their nails. Is it? Why you need the nail polish on your nails, my dear children? Tony, do you have nail polish on your nails? Just look it.
I
Do you have? Just look it. I don't have. Do you have?
my lunch.
Who is having? Who is having? Shabri? Shabri put a nail polish on nails?
No, ma'am.
No, I am not a girl, ma'am. As he is not a girl, no, he never puts. But see, usually it's usually girls, science law, listen, usually these girls, no, they are very much conscious about their outer look. Pyle is laughing. I'm not joking, yaar. It's a truth. It's a truth. Just look around. Just look around. You can see that mostly these girls are very much fond of doing makeups. They never get satisfied with their makeups. They used to apply the nail polish, they comb like anything, then they apply so much cosmetics on their face, and you must be, I like always, my girl children must be very sparkling and charming in front of me. I like, okay. But see, my dear children, why we are doing all those things?
To keep our body.
Yeah, Niranjan, speak, my dear. Why we are doing all those things? Why we are giving undue importance to this? Tony, look at. To keep their not body exactly to the outer appearance. Is it? See, this is my outer appearance. I combed it well. I put up. Yeah, Payal. Yes.
Ma'am, but one of my friends do say that beauty lies beneath the skin.
Yeah, exact. This is a wonderful word, wonderful statement, wonderful quote. It's a wonderful quote. But we, the human beings, never satisfied with our skin, our real appearance. Am I? Is it? The beauty never on the outer appearance. The beauty really, it's of what you are possessing. What you are possessing means your soul, your mind, your brain, your intellectual, and your skills, my dears. Your skills that we are learning now. Every week we are learning, we are adding one or the other skills to you, to your personality. To your personality, we are adding one or the skills to you. There I found the very resemblance in this example, how we are decorating, how we are applying the cosmetics or nail polish. It's a very easy example to learn it. You know, Barbie dolls you are having. How many of you are having the Barbie dolls?
Ma'am,
I
have.
Do you have Barbie dolls
No,
nearby you?
Yes.
Go and bring it. Go and bring it. Come and bring it. Just show me. Yeah, come on. How many of you? Wow. Barbie dolls. Oh, Mabel is having two cute, three dolls. Okay. Payal, very good Barbie doll. Who is having the other 9? Okay. Then who? Ritu. And Noel, you too carrying. Very good. Who is another one? Just children, look at them. See, just look at them. Okay. Nainika, keep it down now. Okay. All of you keep it down. See, you the girls are very fond of, decorating them. You the girls are very fond of decorating them. You are very fond of doing the makeup. You'll apply lipstick on it. Yeah, Nia, correct. You apply lipstick on it. Then you comb with hairs. Then you apply nail polish. Like that means you carry it. Am I right? All of you love now?
Yeah.
All of you love now? Tell, my dears.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it's a kind of happiness to you. Yeah, Nainika, you all like. Nainika, stitch a cloth for it. Okay. You prepare a cloth, you stitch a cloth for it. Okay. So next lecture I'll ask. Next period I'll ask how much you did makeup. How do you makeup teacher? Okay. Yeah, Payal.
Ma'am, my grandmother stitches dress for my Barbie.
You see how great, how so sweet, how kind your grandmother is. She stitched her clothes for her Barbie. Nainika, you can get the advice from her. You can collect it, okay? You take your help of. Otherwise, you can stitch, no problem. I'll help to her, okay? So these are the things. Why we are doing all those things, my dears? Tell me.
So we will become happy.
You become happy. You become happy. Happiness is just, it can't be get it from any shop. Okay, I'm going to the shop tomorrow. I think today onwards, the Mala shops are released from pandemic. So tomorrow I'll go to the shop in Mala and I'll ask, okay, mister, this is 100 rupees. I need 100 rupees happiness for my 5th grade. 5th grade division, your division D, is it? I'm here to purchase a basket full of happiness, and I want to share with my children in 5th grade D, 5th D section. I'll keep it there. While I'm speaking, you just listen to me.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, go and come fast. Okay. So you should ask me, excuse me, ma'am. Okay, come on. So these are the things. The happiness can be get it from any shop. It could be created by us. Is anybody create for you?
No.
Noel can't create for Nia. Nia can't create for Noel, though they are twins. Asin can't create for her and for her siblings. And Samuel can't. Samuel sit properly there. Don't move here and there. Very interesting topic. You are moving here and there. And the happiness is such a thing. You have to create it. Nobody can't create for you. Nobody can't purchase and give to you. None of the shops is open over there to sell the happiness. Is it any shops in Mala or Thrissur or in Ernakulam? There is selling happiness. Kilo 100 rupees, 30 rupees, minimum discount. On the ritual anywhere it is there? No, never, my dear. Nainika. No. Smile. Wherever, yeah. You won't get. Nainika, smile. Yeah, you won't get. That should be created by yourself. For that, you could have a positive approach, a softened behavioral pattern with you. Okay, so as I said, we are applying the nail polish or the talcum powder. It gives beauty to outer appearance. Payal, it's only outer appearance. Real beauty is behind the skin. Real beauty where?
Behind the skin.
Behind the skin. This means what else is it? Behind the skin. But we are in the society. We have to have some positions over there. So we should be in a good posture, good gesture. That too plays a vital role. That we will learn in coming classes. Okay, yes, Payal?
When I saw you for the first time, I felt you're a motivational speaker.
Yeah, my dear.
When I saw you for the first time, I felt you're a motivational speaker.
Yeah, thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear. Really means proud of you, my dear. Okay. So, my dears, energy, see how my happiness increased. See how my happiness increased. The hormones of my happiness produced more and more happiness to me. Then I can prove myself more. I can work more. This is the game with the happiness. This is the game with the soft skills. This is the beauty added to your personality. Okay, my dears? Okay, so we have to, as we are caring our body, like we have to take care of our personality. The personality is nothing more than that, your mind, your idea and attitude. What is your personality means?
Mind, idea.
Your idea, your mind, your attitude, your behavior. What are your personality? Personality means
Mind, behavior.
your mind, attitude, behavior. Otherwise, your mind, idea, attitude, and behavior. Now we will discuss on that. Respect is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
How could we analyze respect? Everything clear? Binu, why you are not concentrating on the lecture? What are you doing over there? Yes. So the word respect is cleared. Now we learned that it gives happiness to you. It helps to improve your personality. When it comes to the respect means, when you learn the respect on your means, you are keeping love to others. That means you are loving others. You have a kindness to others. You are very careful to others. We are very prayerful to others. We are very forgiveness. You shows the character of forgiveness. See how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Is it? At last, Tonio smiled. I liked your smile, Tonio. Always keep a smile on your face. Okay? So see, Niranjan, these personality traits, these qualities help us to smile. Not only smile, help us to be smarter enough in our land. Be smarter enough in our classroom. See how you all are smarter now. Nainika becomes smarter. Tonio becomes smarter. Algan becomes smarter. Angelio becomes smarter. Akshat, your dark, your screen is dark, my dear. Make switch on the light. Okay. Yes. So you all become smarter and smile. Asin is with a beautiful smile and having a beautiful body language over here. Even me well too. Okay. So you are having with a smile and beautiful face and happiness on your face and possessing a smarter quality over here. It meant that you are possessing these qualities. What are the qualities you are possessing, Angelo? Repeat the qualities. My dear, repeat the qualities.
Sharing. Praying.
Yeah. Share. See. Share, care, prayer. I asked to write on a rhythm. Share, write down first. All of you write down first. Binu, I noted. You are not at all attentive in the class. You are busy with some other things over there. Okay. Share, care, prayer. Finish. All of you. Sabari, write down, my dear. I won't repeat now. I won't repeat. As I told you. Yeah, written. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, what one right?
Share, care. Very good, Payal. Share, care, prayer. Okay. Noel and Nia, good. Nainika, good. Angelo, good. Tonya, very good. Sharp, my dears. Okay. So, share, care. Those who are not written, write down. Okay. Those are not write down. Share, care, prayer. Then what is the next? What's the next? Kind. Right. Kind. Kind. Love.
Share, care, prayer.
Then kind. Love. kind, love, help. Kind, love, help, forgive. Kind, love, help, forgive. Forwards. Pile, kind, love, yes. Care, yeah.
Share, care, prayer, kind.
Pile will read now. Yeah, no.
Share, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive.
Kind, love, help, forgive. Kind, yeah, Noel, come on, my dear, read.
Ma'am. Kind, lead, salute, obey, pray, help, forgive.
Okay, systematically read it, Naya. As I told you just, as I said, systematically read it, Nia. Once again, Nia.
Prayer, care, prayer, love, forgive.
No, one more. Love, help, forgive. Love, help, forgive. Tonio.
Kind, help.
Come on, read.
Ma'am, Pinnu. Share, kind.
Kind, love, help, forgive. Binu?
Share, care, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive.
Forgive. Kind, help, either kind, love, help, forgive. Kind, love, help, forgive. Yes, Niranjan, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
Share, care, prayer, kind, help, forgive.
Kind, help, love, forgive. Come on. Once again. Kind.
Share, care, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive.
Kind, help, love, forgive. Yes, who is remaining now? Yes, Nia.
Ma'am. Share, care, prayer, kind, love, forgive.
Kind, love, help. Len, where is Len? Where is Len?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. I'm waiting for you.
Care, prayer, love, help.
Okay. Who is now? Hazib? I'll give chance to all. Don't worry. I'm coming to you one by one. Yes, Azib? Loudly? Azib?
His name is Hasib.
Hazib. Okay, Hazib. Thank you, Payal. Hazib. Okay, might be he's facing some problem. Alvina?
Can I?
Yeah, I'm coming to you.
Share, care, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive. Ma'am, that means
help, love, forgive. Kind, help, love, forgive. Who is next? Saira? Saira, my dear. Coming, Ananda Krishna. Come on.
Share, care.
In a one stroke, I need it. In a one breath. Okay. Come on.
Share. Care. Prayer. Kind. Love. Help. Forgive.
Good. Then Ananda Krishna.
Can I?
Yes, I'm coming.
Share,
yes, come.
Share, care, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive.
Very good. Ritu without seeing. Come on.
Share. Share. Care.
Niranjan, sit properly. Yes.
Kind. Love.
Kind, love, help, forgive.
Share.
Alvina? Yeah, very good. Alvina, come on.
Share, care,
Ah.
care,
Mm.
kind, love, help, forgive.
All of you try without seeing.
Can say.
Delna.
Ma'am, Alvina can say.
Yeah, wait, I'll come to you. Delna, it's your chance now.
Share, care, kinds, love, help, forgive.
Prayer. Yes, Alvina, you want to repeat once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Share, care,
Mm.
prayer,
Ah.
kind, love,
Mm.
help, forgive.
Very good, very good. Good. Okay. Now, who is Binu? Come on.
Ma'am, share, care, kind, love, help, forgive.
Very good. Einslaw. Hasib. Now okay with your audio? Yes. If you are okay with your audio, you can unmute and speak. No. As in then?
Ma'am, share, care, prayer, kind, love, help, forgive.
Okay. Asif.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, over to you.
Ma'am,
Ah.
share, help,
Forgive. Very good. Good. So clap for yourself, all of you. It's a clap for yourself and others too. Applaud yourself, all of you. Great applause. Come on, all of you. Cheer up. Cheer up for you and for your friends. Come on. I don't need any action. Sound. I need the sound from here. Come on, speedily. How much you can speedily? Come on. Come on, all of you. Come on. Make it so stronger. Come on. No. It's not enough. Come on. Fast. Okay. Finish it. See how much you are happy now? Only by learning few words. We wonder about how much these words are. These words are making a reflection, or these words are very impact on us. So my dear children, its time is going to end now. Before that, I'm asking all of you to prepare a small situation or a lively situation or your experience on such words. These words, the words we learned today. For example, love. You have to come up with I love my parents, I love my brothers and sisters, I love my grandparents. Why you could love? Because because you respect them. Wherever you show your love, then you have to describe it. So I'll check. Yeah.
Brothers' class has started.
Yeah, brothers class started. Okay. Okay, then thank you. Time up now. Meet you again on next Wednesday. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Happy days ahead. See you all. Bye bye. Bye bye, all of you.